mated. Here is a giant Pacific octopus. The giant Pacific octopus's scientific name is octopus delphinium. Each has them in the California.
Mom, I said octopus.
Yeah, that's what I just said.
Do octopuses attack you?
No, they will never hurt you. You will never be able to.
California to the Bering Sea, northern Asia to Japan.
Yeah.
Octopus skin has special cells that allow them to them to change color, shape, and even reflect light to help
Yeah, he just pulled them out. Floated away.
to shape it, to help them hide as well as hunt. Octopuses use their special skin and soft bodies to hide from predators. Octopuses hunt by exploring and are naturally curious. The giant Pacific octopus lives in the rocky habitats and feeds on crustaceans, fish, and even other
His toy.
Let other people in there so they can see. Finish up.
Octopus, like, they literally only have a minute, so if you want to write down hours or a second time,